Thank you. Now, students, let's listen again, please, because you have to notice the mistakes, okay? That's the idea. Now you have to find and you have to listen 9 mistakes in this listening part, okay? So let's start again.
8. There's a bench under a tree.
Yeah, okay.
Tape script 4.5. The flat's near center of town. It has 4 bedrooms, a lovely living room with views over the town, and 2 bathrooms. The kitchen is very big, and there's a dining room next to it.
Okay, please tell me the mistake.
The kitchen isn't big. The kitchen is small.
Okay, yes, very good. Now let's continue, please. Now we have 1. You have to listen the other 8 mistakes, okay? Los restantes 8. So listen.
Había 2 errores más antes.
Okay, yes, yes, very good. But you have to tell me, stop, miss, okay? Justo cuando escuchen el error. Stop, miss, okay? We are going to listen again, no problem. Let's continue, let's finish.
The flat's on the 2nd floor.
Stop, miss.
In the living room, there are 2 sofas.
Okay. Tell me.
The flat is on the 3rd floor.
Yeah, yes, very good. It is in the 2nd, right? Yes, very good. Let's continue. 2.
And an armchair. There are a lot of pictures on the wall. There's a carpet in front of the fire, and there's a TV and a DVD player. There's a table in front of the sofa.
No more mistakes? No? Okay, let's listen again, students, please. Okay, remember that a mistake, you have to tell me, miss, stop, it's incorrect, and you have to tell me the correct sentence, okay? That's it. Okay, y si lo están anotando, igual me dicen después, no problem. Let's listen again, pay attention.
Tape. Stop. It has 4 bedrooms. Tape script 4.5. The flat's near the center of town. It has 4 bedrooms.
Stop, miss.
Very good. We have a mistake, right? Tell me the correct one.
Sorry, miss. There aren't 4 bedrooms. There are 3 bedrooms.
Excellent, yes. Let's continue.
A lovely living room with views over the town. And 2 bathrooms.
Stop, miss.
Okay.
There aren't 2 bedrooms. There is a bathroom.
Only 1. Very good.
1.
Let's continue. Listen, please.
The kitchen is very big.
Okay.
And there's a
Danny, notice that. Very good. This is small, right? I'm going to write in a minute, okay? Let's continue.
dining room next to it. The flat's on the 2nd floor.
Okay, please.
There isn't a dining room.
Excellent. Yes, there isn't. Let's continue.
In the living room, there are 2 sofas and an armchair. There are a lot of pictures on the wall.
Okay, come on.
There aren't 2 sofas. There is a sofa.
Very good. Okay, let's do something else maybe. What about pictures?
There aren't pictures.
There aren't any pictures, yes.
There's a carpet in front of the fire. And there's a TV and a DVD player.
What about TV and DVD player?
There isn't a TV and there isn't a DVD player.
Excellent, very good.
There's a table in front of the sofa.
Okay, students, now let me write, okay? You're going to tell me if I forgot something. I'm going to write here the answers. These are the mistakes. Let's write the mistakes. For example, the first one is that there are only 3 bedrooms, right? Not 4. It's one. The next one. It has only 1 bathroom, right? Okay. There is a bathroom. Or if you want, you can say it has, okay? It has only 1 bathroom. Okay. También pueden expresar de esta forma, ¿no? Ah, solo hay uno, solo tiene un baño. ¿De qué? It has only 1 bathroom. Es como decir, el departamento tiene solo un baño, ¿no? Estamos usando it, reemplazando flat. Okay, or if you want, there is a bathroom. It's the same. What about the other mistakes? We have to count because the mistakes are 9. Okay, here we have 1, 2, 3. Let's continue. The kitchen, right? The kitchen is small. Okay, what was the other mistake? There is only 1 so far, right? There is only 1 so far. I'm trying to write fast, but it's not possible. Okay. And the other mistakes about picture. There
isn't a dining room.
Okay, yes. There is a dining room. What happened? I can't write. There isn't a dining room. Okay. What about the other mistakes?
There aren't any pictures.
Very good. There aren't any pictures. And also talking about TV and DVD player, there isn't, right? There isn't a TV. How many mistakes do we have? How many? How many?
8.
8. Okay, let me check again. It's okay. We have 9 mistakes or 8? How many mistakes do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, it's correct. 9 mistakes. Very good, students. Let's go back now to the lesson again.
Miss, creo que uno está repitiendo. Con eso estaba contando.
Talking about TV and DVD player.
No, del baño. No nos explicó que se puede escribir
Ah,
también.
yes. Sorry. Very good. Thank you. One is missing, right? Okay, uno nos falta. Very good. Tell me, please, what is the missing? ¿Cuál está faltando? Have you listened? I know that one is missing, yes. Very good. But which? Let's listen one more time, okay? And not this, please.
Miss, creo que es el error del piso en el que se encuentra.
Okay, let's listen. Please be careful.
Tape script 4.5. The flat's near the center of town. It has 4 bedrooms, a lovely living room with views over the town, and 2 bathrooms. The kitchen is very big, and there's a dining room next to it. The flat's on the 2nd floor. In the living room, there are 2 sofas and an armchair. There are a lot of pictures on the wall. There's a carpet in front of the fire, and there's a TV and a DVD player. There's a table in front of the sofa. Tape script 4.6.
Okay, which is the missing mistake? Which one?
It isn't on the 2nd floor. It's on the 3rd floor.
Yeah, okay, yes, but we're right, or no? No, right? Okay, yes. Very good. It is on the 3rd floor. Very good. And also one more. TV and DVD player is like one answer. So we need one more. Have you listened? It's something like the view, with the view. No? No? Have you listened? No, students, it's okay. Ya contando, chicos, los errores, lo escribimos, por ejemplo, hablando del DVD player y la televisión, right? With only one, como una sola respuesta, ¿no? Si lo separamos, sí contamos ya como 8. Y si lo unimos, ya cuenta como 1 nomás. Entonces, con eso más ya compensamos. Y otra era de la vista. The flat has view of the park. Esa era la última. La vista del departamento. And that's it. We're finished. Very good, students. Now, please, let's go back to the lesson, because we have to continue with the next part. Let's go back, please. Okay. We did. Now, exercise number 3. Work with a partner, draw a plan of your home, show the plan and describe your home to your partner. Okay, it's a homework, please, for tomorrow, that activity. I need that, please, you have to take a photograph from your house if you want, but if you don't want to take a photograph of your houses, you can search on internet. Okay, the idea is that you have to describe. Okay, only one room. You have to describe your favorite room, maybe your bedroom, or if you want your living room, or maybe your kitchen. Okay, the idea is that you have to take a photograph. Okay, and below you have to describe it. You have to use there is, there are. Okay, that's the idea. And it's for tomorrow, please. Okay, esta es la tareita para mañana. Sí, chicas, vamos a compartir mañana. Please, you have to draw a plan of your home. If you want, you can draw. Okay, si gustan, pueden dibujarlo. But if you want, you can take a photograph, a picture, okay? And you have to describe it. That's the idea. For tomorrow. Solamente una habitación, no todas, ¿sí, chicos? Ahora, si gustan, if you want, you can do like this. Si gustan, pueden incluir así, ¿no? Como si fuera una sola imagen. Los cuartos de su casa, digamos, ¿no? Todas las habitaciones que hayan, depende de ustedes. La idea es que describan. Okay, please. That's it. If you want, you can describe your bedroom, or if you want your living room, or maybe your kitchen, depend of you. Okay, for tomorrow, please, students. Now let's continue. We have another activity. Page 32, everybody. A new flat. Let's talk about here some, any, and a lot of. We use some for with positive sentences, right? When we don't know exactly how many, so we can say, oh, there are some pencils, there are some books, right? Cuando sabemos exactamente la cantidad, ¿no? Pero sabemos que hay ni mucho ni poco, some, algunos, okay? Any, please remember that you have to use in negative sentences and also in questions. And here we have another, a lot of. We use a lot of to describe things that are a lot, okay? Para lo que es mucho, ¿no? There are a lot of books. I don't know how many, but there are a lot, ¿no? Cuando haya mucho. No sabemos cuánto, ¿no? Pero es mucho. Más que decir algunos, ¿no? Some para algunos, para unos cuantos. Pero a lot of para muchas cosas, ¿ok? Y siempre va a ir a lot of. Pero Miss, ¿por qué está con a? Sí, a es para lo singular, ¿verdad? There is a car, there is a pencil. Pero en este caso, a lot of, ¿no? Estas palabras juntas, a lot of, para muchos. Okay, don't forget. So let's continue with the next exercise. Josie is in her new flat. What does she have is the question. And what doesn't she have? Tell a partner. Here you have a list, right? Please listen, and then you have to tell me the things that she has in her new flat. Okay, let's listen. Let's listen, please.
Mommy.
6. A new flat. 1,
She has some plates.
2,
She has
Okay, please, students, look at the list here. Let's talk about the things that she has in her new flat. We have here the list, and she has plates, right? Look at the tick. I'm talking about plates, only 2, so you can say, she has some plates. Let's continue. Let's talk about clothes. We have a lot of ticks, so more than only one. So you can say, oh, she has a lot of clothes. What about glasses? We have a cross here, so she doesn't have any glasses. What about pictures? Please, students, what about pictures? Tell me the sentence. She has
some pictures.
some pictures. What about CDs?
She has a lot of CDs.
Very good. Max. What does Max mean? It's like I would like to show you. It's something like this, but more bigger. Okay, Mac. Es como la tacita, solo que un poco más, más grande, ¿no? Un poco más alta, así como más o menos una jarrita, similar a una jarra, ¿no? Pero como un vasito más grande. Okay, mugs. That's it. Let's talk about mugs, please, students. Tell me. She.
Doesn't have any mugs.
Very good. What about shoes?
She has a lot of shoes.
A lot of shoes. Towels.
She doesn't have any towels.
And what about cups?
She has some cups.
Okay, let's check now, please. Listen.
Script 4.6. A new flat. 1.
She has some plates.
2.
She has a lot of clothes.
3.
She doesn't have any glasses.
4.
She has some pictures.
5.
She has a lot of CDs.
6.
She doesn't have any mugs.
7.
She has a lot of shoes.
8.
She doesn't have any towels.
9.
She has some cups.
Okay. Please, students, let's continue on. Look at the pictures, okay? Now, let's check the grammar spot. Exercise, rule number 1. What's the difference between the sentences? Here you have 3 sentences, please. Do you notice the difference between them? Let's read, please. We have 3 sentences. She has 5 plates. She has some plates and she has a lot of plates. What's the difference? What's the difference?
La
Come on,
cantidad de
come on.
dinero.
Yes, excellent. We can describe things, right? And you can use, for example, the number. If you want to be specific, you can say, oh, she has five cups, 5 plates. Or if you don't want to be specific, you can say, she has some plates. I don't know how many, but she has some, right? Algunos. Or if you see, for example, lot, oh, she has a lot of plates, muchos, okay? No saben cuántos, sí, pero es alta cantidad, ¿no? Muchos. Okay, that's it. Number 2, please. When do we use some? Easy. When do we use some?
In the positive sentence and question.
Excellent. And
No.
yes, sometimes in
Hablo de
questions.
narraciones
Excellent.
positivas.
Repeat, Natalie.
No me he confundido.
It's okay, it's okay. It's okay. We use some in positive sentences. And also sometimes we use some in questions. It's okay. And in a minute, we are going to check that and we are going to remember, okay? And please, when do we use any? When do we use any? Come on, you have to remember. And questions, always, don't forget. Okay, so that's why here we have the examples. There aren't any glasses, negative sentence. Does she have any clothes? A question, right? Okay, let's check the grammar, please. Let's go to page 136. Let's check. The grammar part is very, very important, so try to check, okay? Some and any. Let's read some rules about them. Positive sentence. We use some, yes. There are some pictures, okay? And here we have a rule. Some plus plural noun, right? ¿Cierto, no? No podemos decir some car, digamos, ¿no? Mencionando solo uno, no. Siempre, algunos, ok? No se confundan. Quizá usamos el some cuando no estamos seguros, cuando no queremos ser específicos de cuántos hay. Hay algunos, sí, no sé cuántos, pero hay algunos, ¿ok? Negative. There aren't any glasses. Any plus plural noun. Okay, again, siempre. some, any, va a ir con plural, ¿no? No hay muchos lentes, no hay nada de lentes, no, plural. No hay nada de carros, there aren't any cars, okay? Any plus plural nouns. Questions, are there any books? Any plus plural nouns, okay, remember. And Natalie says in a minute before, we use some in positive sentence and also in questions, yes. Usamos el some como regla general, siempre no se olviden que siempre van a estar presentes en oraciones positivas. Some, ¿no? There are some. There are some pictures, there are some cups, right? Always. Y también van a estar en preguntas, pero solamente en preguntas específicas. Cuando nosotros ofrecemos algo, ahí nomás va a entrar el some. Sí, como pregunta. Entonces, por ejemplo, cuando yo ofrezco algo a mis invitados, y eso lo vamos a ver en las siguientes unidades, por ejemplo, yo le ofrezco, cuando alguien llega a tu casa, siempre somos cordiales, ¿cierto? Invitamos, ¿te gustaría un vasito de té, un vaso de café, no ve? Ofrecemos algo, lo que sea. Entonces, podemos nosotros añadir a nuestra pregunta el some, solamente cuando invitamos algo. Ahí es el único lugar donde va a estar presente el some en pregunta. ¿Ok? Entonces, por ejemplo, yo puedo decir, would you like some cake? ¿Te gustaría algo de torta? Would you like some coffee? O something, ¿no? Ahí puedo ofrecer. Cuando estoy ofreciendo algo, voy a usar el some. Solo allí, solo en ese caso. ¿Ok, chicos? Y eso lo vamos a ir viendo. Solamente les adelanto. Solo es la respuesta que nos daba Natalie. Sí, es verdad. ¿Ok? Usamos el some también en pregunta solamente en ese momento, cuando ofrecemos algo. ¿Ok? Y después, generalmente, siempre, va a estar en las oraciones afirmativas. ¿Ok? So, let's go back. And also we have a lot of, right? Y tenemos a lot of. A lot of, chicos, generalmente va a estar en medio de la oración. ¿Ok? She has a lot of clothes. She has a lot of cars. She has a lot of, ¿ok? Siempre, si va a estar en el medio, va a estar los tres. A lot of. ¿Sí? Ahora, si digamos yo no quiero usar los tres, puedo separar y decir, I have homework, a lot. Puedo mandarlo al final, puedo, pero ya no los tres, solamente a los dos, a lot. O cuando digo, por ejemplo, muchas gracias, thanks a lot, también puedo, ¿no? Solamente usando los dos. Ahora, si van a estar presentes los tres, a lot of, siempre van a estar en medio, ¿ok? Besito, por favor. Any question here? No? No questions? It's okay? Chicos, ¿me escuchan o se ha cortado? Hello, hello.
It's
Yes,
okay.
Okay.
Now, let's go back, please. We have to practice now. We have to put in practice the grammar part. So, let's continue.
Miss, buenas noches, Miss. Una
Hi.
preguntita. El a lot of siempre va a estar al medio, ¿verdad? Pero antes de eso tiene que ver un verbo o un escrito o no lo he entendido muy bien.
Realmente sí, ¿no? Depende de lo que se esté diciendo. Por ejemplo, ella tiene muchos carros, ella tiene muchas rosas, ¿no? Que sí, generalmente siempre va a estar. Pero recuerden que si van a usar a lot of, los tres, a lot of, ¿no ve? A lot of va a estar en medio, ¿ok? Eso vamos a hacer un ejemplito aquí para que quede más claro. Si digamos, quiero decir, I have, sí, generalmente sí, después de un verbo siempre va a estar. I have a lot of students, for example. Tengo muchos estudiantes, digamos. I have a lot of students, ¿ok? Ahora, digamos que yo quiero usar igual este a lot of, ¿no ve? Pero no en medio. Quiero usar al final. Entonces, por ejemplo, cuando yo agradezco, a veces digo, thank you a lot. Thank you a lot. Muchas gracias. Estoy diciendo gracias, ¿no? Muchas gracias. Usando el a lot. Pero si se fijan, o puedo decir directo, thanks a lot. Muchas gracias, ¿no ven? Y si se fijan, estoy usando a lot, solamente los dos. A lot. No estoy usando a lot of. ¿Por qué? Porque no está en medio de la oración. Si va a estar en el medio, recién van a estar los tres a lot of. Si está al final, entonces no es necesario que esté los tres. A lot of. No, thanks a lot. Es como que para decir muchas gracias. Sí, es bastante. A veces si escuchan, thanks a lot. Oh, muchas gracias. ¿Ok? Recuerden, estilo, cuidado se equivoquen y me pongan solamente I have a lot students, digamos. No, eso está mal. ¿Ok? Siempre, si va a estar en medio, tiene que estar los tres. A lot of. Si va a estar, digamos, al final, entonces no es necesario a lot of. Ok, solo a lot, thanks a lot. That's it. Dos ejemplitos que son los más comunes, quizá. Now, let's check, please. Y sí, generalmente siempre va a estar después de un verbito. Ella tiene, no muchos, yo tengo muchos, o ellos tienen muchos, o depende de la oración, pero casi generalmente siempre va a estar después de un verbito. ¿Ok? Now, please, students, you have to complete. Let's check the next exercise. Oh, ha vuelto. Ya. Hace rato lo borré y miren, ha vuelto a aparecer las respuestas. No sé cómo lo hice. Ya. Please, here. Let's read and let's learn more about this, that, this, and those. Let's go to the grammar part again, everybody, to talk about this, that, this, and those. Okay, page 136 again. Unit 4. This, that, this, and those. Aquí la pronunciación, chicos, ¿no? Ustedes ya conocen el this y el that. Right? Let's remember. We use this and this to talk about people, things that are near to us. Remember. Okay, this we use when we talk about something that is near to us. Oh, this is my mobile phone. This is my pencil, right? Singular. Ahora, hablando del plural, y aquí es a veces la confusión porque suena igual en la pronunciación. This, ¿no? This, singular. This is my pencil. Ahora sí tengo dos, digamos, aquí. These are my pencils. Entonces suena lo mismo. ¿Ok? Existe un poquito en la pronunciación. Es muy similar. ¿Ya, chicos? De lo que está cerca, ¿no? This for singular and this for plural. And we use that and those to talk about people or things that aren't near to us. So it's different. That is my door, for example. That is my window, ¿no? Lo que está alejado. Ahora aquí no hay mucha confusión, sí, porque es distinto. Those are my windows, for example, ¿no? Aquí sí no hay a dónde perderse, pero aquí en la pronunciación es especial, chicos. Van a tener un poquito de cuidado ahí, ¿sí? This and this. So let's read the examples, please. We use this and this to talk about people, things that are near to us. For example, I like this picture. How much are these mugs? Rule number 2. We use those to talk about people or things that aren't near to us. Yes. Can you see that man? Can you see that man, right? Who are those children outside? Right? So it's different. Please remember. Okay, que se confundan aquí también. You have to memorize, please. And we have the next rule, number 3. We can use this, that, this, those, without a noun. Okay? ¿Qué nos dice esta reglita? For example, this is lovely. Can I have this? I don't like that. That's horrible. These are my favorite. I don't want those. ¿Qué nos dice esta regla? We can use this, that, this, those without a noun. Podemos hablar, por ejemplo, de muchas cosas sin necesidad de decir, a pencil, a cat, a car, ¿no? O algo. Entonces puede ser directo. This is lovely. Digamos, hablando de my pencil, talking about my pencil. This is lovely, ¿no? Estoy hablando de esto directo. Sin necesidad de decir, this is a lovely pencil, for example. No, puede ser directo y decir, this is lovely. Can I have this? Digamos que tengo aquí un teléfono. Oh, can I have this? Directo, sin tener que mencionarlo, ¿no? Can I have a mobile phone? Can I have, no? Directo. Can I have this? I don't like that. También. ¿Cierto? Sin necesidad de usar ni ningún otro. Or you can say, for example, that's horrible. Está horrible. Sin tener que mencionar de qué, ¿no? That's horrible. These are my favorite. I don't want those. Entonces también se puede. ¿Ok? Repita, por favor. This is a new rule. If you don't want to be specific, okay, you can use that kind of sentence. Okay. Aquí, chicos, es que ustedes no quieren ser específicos hablando de algo, pueden usar esto. Decir, oh, that's horrible. Oh, these are my favorite. This is lovely, ¿cierto? Sin tener que mencionar exactamente de qué estamos hablando. Oh, this is lovely. Can I have this? ¿No ve? Sin ningún noun delante. Okay? This is a new rule. Please, students, study. Okay? Try to memorize. Now, please, we have to practice. We have to use this, that, this, and those. So let's go back to the lesson, please, and let's practice. We have here. Yes. Exercise number 2. Look at Josie's shopping list. What does she need? Okay, can you see this piece of paper? Things to buy.